सो आम्ही सगळे मेळून काम करतले. आम्ही सगळे कॉर्पोरेटर सगळे पणजेची बरी कामां जावपा खातीर सगळे मेळूनच काम करतले. आतां एक्सपिरियन्स तर कोणाक नासता. जे आतां खुर्चेर पयलीं बसोनूच म्हाका एक्सपिरियन्स येतले. सो मागीर एक्सपिरियन्स येतकूच कितें ती कामां आसा ती सगळे आमी सगळे कावन्सिलर मेळूनच करतले.
I think it's a welcome change. I would like to thank Mr. Siddharth Kunkolkar for supporting it, and I think we should all work together in the interest of Panjim. So I would like to thank Mr. Siddharth Kunkolkar.
So there is any understanding between BJP and you?
No, there is no question of understanding and all. See, we were in a
Not also contested last year.
no, we were in the majority as far as the council is concerned. But it is good when there is support from all, because ultimately everyone's support is required as far as the development of Panjim is concerned.
महापालिकेन 30 नगरसेवक, 15 बाबुशाचे, 13 बीजेपी आनी फुदार जोडपे. मतदारसंघान आमदार मुख्यमंत्री बीजेपीचो, मात राजधानीची महापालिका बाबुशाची. बाबुशान ताचो ताळगांवचो प्लान पेपरार हाडूंक सुरवात केली. नव्यानूच जाल्ले ग्रेटर पणजी पीडीएची पयली बसका जाली. ताळगांवचो ओडीपी नव्यान करपाचें थारला.
So as far as Talegaon is concerned, we have given instructions to make outline development plan. Actually, it was overdue because the last date actually was 2016. It has completed 10 years. So from there, for the past 2 years, there was no plan. So the new to formulate a new plan, we have told them to make a land use map first. So the procedure of that is started. Earlier draft plan was there. They had prepared the draft plan. So now, since this area falls in Greater Panjim PDA, so that there is no validity as far as that draft plan is concerned. And that draft plan was not sent to the government. They should have sent it to the government. So we are formulating a new plan.
So what about Santa Cruz and San Andre people are opposing the greater PDA?
See, that I have got on. It is a policy of the government. That is for government to decide. So I have got no say in that. I have just been I appointed as a chairman of the PDA. The formation of the PDA is being done by the government. So I have got no comments to this thing. That is the chief minister and the TCP minister will decide on that issue.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश घाडी आनी शिरीष कुंकळकार.